was saying again, I'm so sorry, I got to cut off again. I need to go delete some stuff in my manage part in my phone. So yeah, I put this up. I'm so proud of myself that I got this at Home Goods. I said that earlier, but I'm just so proud of myself. It looks so even. I'm so proud of myself. I did not even use a level, and it came out so gorgeous. Home Goods, I think it was $40, but for each. And then in this area, of course, my sofa is gonna be coming from Ashley Furniture. I'm gonna get that sofa bed, so I was gonna get a sofa, but I'm like, I'm gonna get me a sofa bed. So yeah, I'm gonna take that bag and give it to Goodwill. And then you saw my stuff in my basket. And then look at the view of my, oh, I need to turn the light in here, hold on. Wait a minute, okay. Beautiful, oh yeah, you see cross at the end. But yeah, I was cleaning up, so. This is my beautiful kitchen, my cute little chairs. So yes, and then we're gonna come home. Let's take this tape off. Over here we have I need to get another bunch of these flowers. These are called, I forgot what it's called. I have to look at my Amazon list because, you know, I just have a whole bunch of stuff that I got from Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna like fluff them up or just get another set and maybe make it a little bigger and just more liver. It looks cute though. And I got these. These I got from the dollar store. Yes, I did. It was, I always keep the price. It was $1.25, and I also got this at the dollar store, and it was $1.25. Dollar Tree, oh my gosh, I'm into like the thrift store, Dollar Tree, anything that's cheap. So I got this. Oh my gosh, I saw this on a YouTube video. I forgot what video. I'll link it down below. But I'm not sure if the lady got it from Home Goods. So I got this from Home Goods. I went to Home Goods for like the second time because one time I went to one in Atlanta, and then I'm in a different state now. So I got this at Home Goods. I was like, oh my gosh. And then of course I had to stop by Bath and Body Works. This candle right here smells so good. It's called Merry Cookie. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good, like so good. Merry Cookie. Don't get this one because I'm about to go back to the store and get some more. Don't get this one. It's all for me, okay? So I thought this was cute. I was gonna like rearrange it and put this right here. And then put this in the corner like that. That looks cute, but like brown with the orange. I just want it back over this way. So voila, magic. My place look good. Anyway, I think I'm just like too excited. Let's put this back. So I just got, oh, let me put this. I have all my little cleaning supplies over here. And probably put the paper towel under there too. And some vases under here too. I try not to keep anything on the counter. Oh, look what I got from